Hi guys, for week 6, we are asked 2 questions. The first one was, how does protein structure determine protein function? So the way that proteins are structured are dependent on the smaller structures inside of the protein called amino acids, and these amino acids can be rearranged differently inside of the protein, and this determines what type of job the protein has inside of the body. And to kind of go further into this, the shape is important because it allows the protein to interact with other molecules. So if the structure of the protein changes, it can affect the way it works and may lead to problems in the body, which kind of leads into our next question, that is, provide one example where a change in structure can lead to disease or dysfunction. So we have a family friend, and their son has a disease called cystic fibrosis, and this is caused by just the protein structure being disformed. And so cystic fibrosis is a mutation change, I guess you could call it. And the structure of the protein is called, I need to look at my notes. Protein structure is CFTR protein, which is normally helps to control the movement of salt and water in and out of the cells. But because the protein is misshaped, it does not work properly, and this causes buildup in the lungs with like thick mucus, and it can build up on the lungs and organs, and this can make it difficult to breathe and lead to repeated infection. This example shows how even like the smallest change in protein structure can affect protein function and cause serious health problems. I know there's like a movie out there, I think it's called like Six Feet Apart, something like that, where two of the main actors have cystic fibrosis, and they can't get within 6 feet apart of each other, because if two people have cystic fibrosis, they can become like deathly ill from just infection and stuff like that. I know like it's totally fine around normal like other people that don't have it, but it can really affect your life, and you have to do so much, medically to stay healthy and stuff like that. But yeah, so that was my disease.